One more thing which I want to say. See, I have seen in my own constituency, tourism department holds a festival. What kind of a festival? Drawing, rangoli competition, this kind of thing. This is art and culture. You don't even know what is tourism. You understand it? And let me say one thing. It was a flop show. Nobody turned up there. But if tourism is going to misdirect its energy to trying to have cultural events like this, your Sanjuam at the old Goa was a total flop. You spent crores of rupees. Then I don't think the tourism department can do these kind of things. That's why I want to tell you that it's misdirected and therefore it's not having proper sense of direction. I cannot believe that these kind of events are being held without clearance right from the top. It's huge money which you're spending. And therefore I say, head has to roll from the top.